Hello everyone and welcome to another WinTask tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to automatically fill this web form with the information from this Excel table. So what will we need? We'll need this information to be stored into arrays, which then from the arrays you will get the data and fill it into these forms one by one. Okay, so let's open WinTask. We're gonna need these, let's copy this and then close it. Start recording. I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Now you need the extension to be able to use Google Chrome. I did a tutorial earlier showing you how to get your browsers ready for WinTask automation for Internet Explorer, Mozilla, or Google Chrome. I'll put the link into the description. But for now, let's move forward. Web address, this is why we copied. We want to open the Excel to web form. Make sure you keep the browser minimized. Don't check this one. You can maximize it later if you feel like it. But it's sometimes it bugs, so just keep it like this. All right. So we open it. Let's fill this information. Okay, click submit, then return to the previous page and then close it. We stop the recording. Okay, so what did we get here? Start browser, CH for Chrome, the link where the browser should open. Then we got this information here. Let's see how it runs. Okay, works out nicely. As we can see, it didn't close. So we can type that manually. Close, browser, and now the browser will close. Alright, now we need to link this Excel file to our script. So we're just gonna give an array the information about the path of this file. I'm gonna say Excel file, put a $sign so it's an array, and then I'm just gonna write down the path. I already know the path where I have the file. Yeah, okay. Very well. And we're gonna also need arrays to store the information for each of these fields: area, first name, last name, email, and phone. To declare them, we're gonna write them, and they're all gonna have a $sign after it. And then we say the size of it. I think 50 would be a good size, that there's no data with more than 50 characters. It's 5 of them, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're just gonna give them names based on how I find them here. Area, first name, last name, email, and phone. Alright, good. Now, what we'll need is this data to be read and then written into those variables. So we can either just type it out, or we can use the help from this column right here with functions. This is very useful. For example, we have read Excel here. We can either click on help, and now we have examples and all the information needed about this function, or we can just write the name here. We can browse, for example, where the Excel file is, and then write it here, but we assigned an array for the path. So we simply just copy this and paste it here. We look for the cell range. It's from A4 for the area. We're going to start with area till A18 to A18. We're doing this exactly like we declare it in the Excel file. And now where is the result gonna be stored? It's gonna be stored in area. Now I click paste, and as you can see, the function was already pasted, so we don't have to memorize this. Pasted it to the wrong place. Okay, so this was called Excel file. So this is the read Excel. Now I can just copy and paste it 5 times. My bad. Alright. Now we're gonna put the first name, last name, email, and phone. And it's gonna be on column B, C, D, and E. Okay, so we have this data. Now we want this to replace this static information that we just wrote down when we recorded it. What I'm gonna do is copy this and paste it here for the area. The first name, gonna replace the constant string with a variable array. Got the email. This click HTML element is not useful, so I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, here it has to be email, not mail. And phone. Alright. Now we needed to iterate, so it has to repeat the process until it finishes all the rows. So to do that, we're gonna give it an I equals to 0 and then write repeat this, repeat this one until. Now we're gonna select, it has to be the first one, but as we see, area it's never empty, so make sure you put the first one some field that will always be not empty. So I'll say select until area of I is empty. Also, we want, after this process, we want I to increment with 1. Alright, now let's see how this process automates. Now there is an error. Yes, there is an error because we did not declare the I. We have to put I. So it does know which value from the array to use. Very well. It automates perfectly. This is the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe and follow our channel if you want more tutorials about how to use WinTask. If you have any other questions or you would like to see another tutorial made, make sure to comment and let us know, and we'll make that tutorial. Bye bye.